Liven up your outdoor area with the charming appeal of strong and reliable Westbury Tuscany Railing System, a customizable aluminum railing that can coordinate with nearly any style of deck or space. Kitted together for extremely straightforward ordering and an even simpler setup, here's how to install the Westbury Tuscany system on your deck. What you need: 2 Tuscany 3-piece post kits by Westbury, 1 Tuscany level rail kit, 8 GRK RSS structural screws, a tape measure, a level, a circle or miter saw, a power drill, a 1/2-inch open wrench, installation tool for Westbury aluminum, rubber mallet, included. The Tuscany 3-piece post kit includes a post, 2-piece post skirt, post cap, and leveling shims. The Tuscany level rail kit includes the top rail, bottom rail, balusters, rail support, mounting brackets, and installation hardware. Start off by setting your posts in place according to your railing plan. When positioning your posts, be sure to have enough blocking or substructure underneath for the screw to lag into. Westbury recommends at least 4 inches of solid wood blocking for a sturdy mount. Down at the base plate of your posts, set the 2 included stainless steel leveling shims under the leveling bolts. Use your drill to drive 4 of your structural screws or legs fully into place within the substructure. Use a level or speed square to check the posts are plumb, and use a 1/2-inch wrench to adjust the leveling bolts as needed. Use your tape measure to find the opening space between the inside faces of the 2 posts. Use this measurement to pencil mark your top and bottom rails for trimming. With the baluster slots lined up, find the center of the rail and pencil mark. On that center mark, measure out half of your post-to-post distance on each side and label. Trim on these marks. This will allow for equal spacing between each post and its closest baluster. Trim the rails with a miter or circular saw. One by one, set your balusters into the routed openings in the bottom of the rail. Push down firmly or tap gently with a rubber mallet to make sure balusters are seated fully into the rail. Hold the top rail above the balusters and, starting at one end, feed balusters into their corresponding openings one by one. Again, push down firmly or tap gently with a rubber mallet to ensure full seating. Now, to attach the mounting brackets. Save major installation time by using an installation tool by Westbury Railing. This tool has set centered openings for both top and bottom brackets for perfect bracket placement without the extra measuring. Just place, mark, drill, and set. It's that easy. Next, for railing sections that are 6 feet or longer, we'll install the included rail support. On the bottom rail, pencil mark the center. Pre-drill a hole and then thread the included panhead screw through the support and attach on that line. Hand tighten the support. Place the rail section in the brackets. Then, fasten with the included flathead screws. Place bracket covers on each bracket. Set the included post caps on top of each post and gently tap into place. Then, snap the 2-piece post skirt around the base of the post. Lastly, loosen the rail support until firmly in place against the top of the deck board. Conveniently kitted together and incredibly easy to install, the Westbury Tuscany Aluminum Railing System can provide a glowing, professional look you can finish in no time. Get started on your project today with Westbury Aluminum and DecksDirect, helping people build better decks.